Oh well. No problem. Is that it? Good. Did you tell anybody? This is your first night. Do you have any infections? Have an eyebrow infection? Okay, can I check that out? You don't mind? Okay. I'm going to brush it. Someone. Oh yeah. So yeah, I know it's. Do you have nap time? Yeah. Okay. So it's kind of past your nap time, but that's okay. I know it's hard for you to see, but I promise you I'm gonna be okay. Let's go. It's a little bit red, but that's okay. So let's give you a warm towel. Yeah, they are warm cloth. I just heated them up. I just put them on the sink and I run water on them. And this one I need to warm up. So I'm just gonna put this one in the warmer. See, can I hear right? It's warming up in here. This one, you're gonna feel it. Yeah. You can feel it. Yeah, really warm. I'm just going to take a little bit of that warmth. That's what we do. And I'm just going to touch it with my eyebrow. If it stings, let me know, okay? Okay. It stings, okay. Okay. So I'm just going to use side. Does that sting? Okay. So I'm gonna tell who's your doctor. Dr. Frank. Okay, Dr. Frank. I'll call Dr. Frank. Tell him that you need a medication for your eyebrow. Why are you here? Because you're having some problems. You also have an ear infection, so does mommy and daddy know that? No? Okay. I'll contact your mommy and daddy. I just need to put mommy and daddy's phone number. Okay. Okay, I'll get right there. Okay, yeah, I have mommy and daddy's phone number. Okay. Oh, and so now we are going to kind of just use the warm cloth. Yeah, this was the one that was warm. This one, this is like all the supplies, and these are where the one. These right here. Oh no, it's okay. So right here is where I keep the towels. They're not warm though. These are just where I keep the towels. This is the where everything is warm. Like I have the towel warming here. I have salt, like for that because they like it warm. And then I have this other towel. So a lot of the towel is warm up in here. This is one of them. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put this on your face. It's going to help with your fever because I heard Miss Olivia. Yeah, Miss Olivia took your temperature, right? Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to, and she told me I'm just going to be helping. I'm helping here. Most of the time I'm mostly in here working, so I'm literally a nurse to everyone. So I usually help with this type of stuff, if you're wondering. Huh? Okay. So I'm just going, yes, I was professionally trained. Now, I know you can't see right now because the towel is going on. And I'm just running on, moving on. No, it's a little bit scary. You can't see, but you will just. Alrighty, seems good. Touch your forehead. Is it too cold? No, okay. It's good. I just want to take a look. Yeah, I can definitely see that I have a infection. Not an infection. Eyebrow infection. Other side. Okay. So I think I found it. Okay. So I think you look pretty good. So I'm just going to put your towel in here so it can warm up again. I don't know how big the towel is ready yet, but so when you come up every morning, come in here and you can get you one towel. Every time you go to sleep, when you don't feel good, come here, say I need Miss Harper, and I will give you your one towel, and that will help you sleep, and I'll check out your eyebrows, okay? Okay, so, do you know where you're going? Do you want to take your warm towel with you? Yeah? Okay. I think this one, I don't know, this seems pretty warm. Do you want to touch it? It's not too hot, not too cold, it's good. Okay, you take your warm towel. You can have it that way, yeah. Okay. Alright, dear, you did amazing today. I'm sorry if it was a little bit scary. I did not really want to scare you. So, I will see you probably tomorrow. When I'll have your next warm towel. So plenty of those. Do you want to take a bath tonight? You do? Okay, come here tonight and I will help you take a bath. Yeah, I have a really nice mermaid